Introducing the TAGRO 102 agricultural tractor, proudly crafted in the heart of Reghin, Romania at the renowned IRUM factory. This remarkable machine is powered by the cutting-edge F36 FPT engine, featuring a robust 4-cylinder, inline configuration with common rail technology, a turbo compressor, and an intercooler, ensuring optimal performance in the field. Discover the perfect blend of precision engineering and Romanian craftsmanship with the TAGRO 102. The engine under the hood of this tractor generates 75 kilowatts, equivalent to 102 horsepower. Unleash the raw power of this machine as it effortlessly handles the demands of the field, delivering an outstanding combination of strength and efficiency. Gear up for efficiency and performance with the TAGRO 102's advanced transmission. This innovative system boasts an impressive array of 12 forward speeds and 12 reverse speeds, providing you with the ultimate control and flexibility. Equipped with a mechanical inverter, an electro-hydraulic differential lock, and a robust 4x4 traction system, it's designed to tackle the toughest challenges. Whether you're maneuvering through rugged landscapes or optimizing efficiency in the field, the TAGRO 102 has you covered. Introducing the main flow pump, with an impressive debit of 60 liters per minute. This critical component ensures a steady and reliable supply of fluid, making it an essential part of various industrial and mechanical systems. Experience safety and comfort like never before in the TAGRO agricultural tractor cabin. It's a sanctuary that's ROPS and FOPS certified, ensuring top-tier protection for you in any environment. But that's not all. This cabin comes with a high-visibility structure, keeping you aware of your surroundings at all times. Feel the luxury of a heated seat and cushion with pneumatic suspension, making those long days in the field a breeze. Safety is our priority, with a seat belt and a beacon to keep you visible. And when the weather doesn't cooperate, the windscreen with washer wiper and rear window with defrost grille ensure that you're always in control. The TAGRO cabin, where safety meets comfort, so you can focus on what matters most. Elevate your TAGRO agricultural tractor experience with a range of optional features, giving you the flexibility to customize your machine to your exact needs. Opt for the pneumatic system, equipped with an air compressor and a trailer braking system, adding convenience to your operations. With a front linkage boasting a lifting capacity of 2,200 kilograms, you have the power to tackle heavier tasks. Choose the front linkage with front PTO, independent and responsive with 540W and 1000CW on command, adapting to your specific requirements. For stability and balance, front counterweights of 460 kilograms, including support and a front towing pin, are at your disposal. Tailor your tractor with additional remote valves, offering a maximum of 2 pairs for versatile connectivity. Illuminate your way with the LED headlights package, and enjoy extra visibility with 2 front and 2 rear supplementary lights. And for a more collaborative experience, add a passenger seat, allowing you to share the journey. Finally, rest easy with our warranty coverage. Your engine is protected for 24 months or 1,500 hours of operation, while the tractor itself is covered for 24 months or 1,000 hours of operation. It's all about your peace of mind and the freedom to choose. As the sun sets on this incredible journey, we leave you with the vision of the remarkable TAGRO 102 agricultural tractor. This isn't just a machine, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities in farming. To explore more, experience the TAGRO 102 firsthand, and join the growing community of satisfied users. Visit our website today. Dive into a world of innovation, efficiency, and reliability. Visit our website and become a part of the future of farming.